Hi, I'm Mrs. D, and welcome back to my channel. Now, on this day, I decided not to bake. I needed to freshen up my fall vegetables. So I took a visit to my local farmers market, which is a year-round farmers market. Here in Louisiana, we have the Red Stick Farmers Market, which has several different locations around my city. Our year-round farmers market always has beautiful seasonal vegetables and fruits, eggs, and meat. Now, on this day, I got me some fresh Swiss chard. I got a beautiful bag of organic lettuce and several other fall items. I love visiting my local farmers market because all of the farmers at my local farmers market are from Louisiana. So I love eating from the dirt where I live. Now, what you see me doing here is preparing all of my vegetables for the week. I tend to wash all of my vegetables that I buy on the same day, place them in Ziploc bags, and put them in the refrigerator. Now, another good reason why I love shopping at my local farmers market is the particular lettuce that I buy from the farmers here in Louisiana. That bag of lettuce, well, I probably eat it. We're going to eat it in a week, but sometimes, we don't eat salads consecutively. And that bag of salad can last up to 4 weeks in my refrigerator. Why, you say? Because that lettuce was picked the same week that I bought it. So that's another reason that I love visiting my local farmers market. So, wherever you live, search in your city and see if you have a local farmers market. And see what wonderful fruits and vegetables you can find. I love using my little salad spinner. Now, this particular salad spinner that I'm using is, I believe it's by KitchenAid, and I think I got it from my local Costco. It's very easy to use, and it helps me to save time. And just like that, I am done. Clean the kitchen, and I've got fresh vegetables in my refrigerator ready to eat for the week. Join me again on my channel where there's no telling what I might bake. Thanks for joining me. Be blessed. Bye.